Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. KG class, today we are going to do the work on Al Hira vocabulary workbook on the page number 19, and the work is vocabulary with W and X. Al Hira vocabulary workbook. Vocabulary with W. W for wall. W for wall. W for watch. W for wall. W for watch. Wall, watch. And W is vowel or consonant? W is consonant. W is consonant. Now use these words in sentences, and we are just making simple sentences. Use of that in sentences. So use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence. In sentences, use A with words starting with consonants and an with words starting with vowels. So the sentence is, that is a wall. That is a wall. And you can see the first letter of this sentence is capital, and we put a full stop at the end of the sentence. And W is consonant, as I told you before. The W is consonant, and we are using A with consonant. So sentence is, that is a wall. That is a wall. That is a wall. And what are the consonants? The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So all these letters are consonants. And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So we use A with consonants. We use A with those words which start with consonants. And we use AN with those words which start with vowels. So that is a wall. The sentence of watch. In this sentence, we follow all the rules which we learned before, and the rules use capital letter and in the beginning of the sentence, and put full stop at the end of the sentence. And the sentence is, this is my watch. We are using this in this sentence. This is my watch. You can see, students, the first letter of this sentence is capital, and we put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So this is my watch. This is my watch. Vocabulary with X. Vocabulary with X. The words ending with X. Words ending with X. The first word is ox. The first word is, you can see the picture of ox. Fox. Ox. Fox. Ox. Fox. Now use these words in the sentences, and in this simple sentence we use that in this sentence. Use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence. And we use a in sentences, we use a with words starting with consonants and with words starting with vowel. So sentence is that is an ox, and you can see O is vowel. O is vowel. So we use an with O. So that is an ox. In this sentence we use that. That is a fox. That is a fox. That is a fox. That is a fox. You can see T is capital in the beginning of the sentence and we put a full stop. And we use A with consonant. F is a consonant, so we use A. Say that is a fox. The sentences are that is a wall. That is an ox. This is my watch. That is a fox. Let's read it again. That is a wall. This is my watch. That is an ox. That is a fox. So KG class, you have to learn all these sentences and you have to do this work on your workbook. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.